Welcome to Lego City, where the adventures are awesome.
Time for a shortcut!
And the people are awesomer.
I'm gonna need 1,000 throw pillows, a water slide, and as many architects you can find that can play the French horn.
Wait, why do we...
No time!
Get to know this awesome city, block by block.
Oh! Crushing your friend with a massive pastry crosses the line. A really big, weird line.
Lego City Adventures, the brand new show. Coming in June. To Nick.
Sid and I had the perfect plan to be neighbors, then major fail. What should I do?
Go to Plan B. Talk to your cousins.
That's a plan C.
See? As in cousins? I see what you did there.
You're watching Friended, the brand new Loud House special featuring the Casagrandes. Keep it here.
Here's another laundry hack from Homemade Simple. Do you want ready-to-wear clothing without all the hassle?
You can with Bounce dryer sheets. Simply toss 2 sheets in the dryer to iron less. We dried 1 shirt without Bounce and an identical shirt using Bounce. The Bounce shirt has fewer wrinkles, less static, and more softness and freshness.
For extra large or wrinkly loads, toss in 3 sheets.
Dermatologists tested Bounce Free and Gentle is free of dyes and perfumes.
Bounce out wrinkles, bounce out static.
I saw a couple of abcmouse.com commercials and decided to give it a try. Instantly, I said, okay, this is it. This is it. abcmouse.com is the ultimate learning environment. He's doing math, but playing games at the same time, doing addition, subtraction, working with words. I've really seen his reading develop, and it's really allowing him to excel in school. ABC Mouse exceeded every expectation that we had.
Now this is the place to be.
We look good, right?
In Old Navy? Always. Ooh, gingham and dots.
What's good here?
Nothing. I just come for the outfits.
Shop 50% off all tees, tanks, short swim, and dresses. Now at Old Navy.
We bought a house in a neighborhood with a lot of other young couples. Then we noticed something strange. Oh, could you make me a burger?
Poof, you're a burger.
Everyone acts like their parents.
You have a tattoo.
Yes.
Fun. Do you not work?
So what kind of mower you got, Seth? I don't know. I have some kid comes over. We pay him to do it.
But it's not all bad. Someone even showed us how we can save money by bundling home and auto with Progressive.
Progressive can't protect you from becoming your parents, but we can protect your home and auto.
I'm a big kid now.
I'm a big kid now. Went from baby bottles to drinking from sippy cups. Went from wearing diapers to rocking these fresh pull-ups. We're 50 million strong, so put on your pull-ups and help us sing this song.
Puberty means personal space.
So sports clothes sit around growing odors. That's why we graduated to Tide Pod Sport.
Finally, something more powerful than the funk.
Tide Sport removes even week-old sweat odor. It's got to be Tide.
At Chuck E. Cheese headquarters, kids call the shots. That's why we took tickets, added them to games, and made fun even funner. And with all you can play, parentals pick the time. And you can play all you want, only at Chuck E. Cheese.
Here's another cleaning tip from Mr. Clean. Cleaning tough bathroom and kitchen messes with sprays and wipes can be a struggle. There's an easier way. Try Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. Just wet, squeeze, and erase tough messes like bathtub soap scum and caked on grease from oven doors. Now Mr. Clean Magic Eraser comes in disposable sheets. They're perfect for icky messes on stovetops, in microwaves, and all over the house. For an amazing clean, try Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. And now, new Mr. Clean Magic Eraser Sheet.
You're watching The Loud House on Nick.
2-minute combination. Shower, toothbrushing, and clothes washing, go. Dang it.
Get ready for a brand new week of The Loud House featuring the Casagrandes.
Cool.
Where the messier it is,
Good boy.
the bestier it is.
Queso fundito for you and your bestie.
We're still pretty full from the taquitos.
What am I thinking? I'm gonna make dessert.
Catch a brand new week of The Loud House featuring the Casagrandes. Coming soon on Nick.
A flutter of butterflies awaken your senses. We take a deep breath and say yes to forever. New love. We have a fragrance for that. New Elegant Amber and Oud fragrance from Glade.
SC Johnson.
When it comes to what your kids watch, it's a jungle out there. That's why
Vámonos!
there's Noggin, the subscription service 100% designed with your preschooler in mind. It's full of their favorite shows. You said it, Blue. It's educational.
A dodecahedron!
A dodeca what now? With 0 ads, it's totally safe for your kids.
I'm okay!
And for Marshall. Subscribe to the Noggin app now. Monthly subscription rates apply after free 7-day trial. Available on Apple, Android, and Roku devices.
In-laws have moved in with us.
And our adult children are here.
So we save by using Tide.
Which means we use less.
3 generations of clothes cleaned in 1 wash.
Anybody seen my pants?
#1 stain and odor fighter. #1 trusted. It's got to be Tide.
Ugly dolls are here. Oh my, there's Ugly Dog. He's looking fly.
What's up, dog?
We're all unique. Just look around. Uglyville's the coolest town. It's the weird and wonderful world of ugly dolls. Bye. Figures, plush, and playset, each sold separately.
Hey, where'd you go?
Last year, the Department of Veterans Affairs partnered with T-Mobile for Business. With VA Video Connect powered by T-Mobile, vets can speak to their doctors from virtually anywhere and get the care they deserve without it counting against their data. So they can return to their most important posts: soulmate, best friend, or just dad. The VA provides the care. T-Mobile provides the coverage.
It's all clear. Everybody say ho! Yeehaw! Go, Woody! Oh, yeah!
How excited would they be if they had the hybrid?
Probably this excited.
Disney Pixar's Toy Story 4.
Puberty means personal space.
So sports clothes sit around growing odors. That's why we graduated to Tide Pod Sport.
Finally, something more powerful than the funk.
Tide Sport removes even week-old sweat odor. It's got to be Tide.
Izzy is crazy about boxes. In her lifetime, she'll jump in and out of hundreds. That's why Iams creates delicious recipes tailored to help keep her at her adventurous best. Iams, who I am.
You'd rather dog sit cupcake than clean the toilet? Oh, come on! With scrubbing bubbles, cleaning doesn't have to stink. The foaming bubbles make your toilet super fresh. It's cleaning reinvented.
S.C. Johnson.
At Chuck E. Cheese headquarters, kids call the shots. That's why we took tickets, added them to games, and made fun even funner. And with all you can play, parentals pick the time. And you can play all you want, only at Chuck E. Cheese.
We're cats, milady. We always land on our feet. Almost always on our feet. Sometimes also in trash cans.
44 Cats, brand new show coming this June to Nick.
You're chilling with the Louds.
Pass the frozen succotash.
And don't miss Friended, the brand new Loud House special featuring the Casagrandes. Today at 3. Stick around.